I am April May Pagadian, a businesswoman from Central Sagada. Sagada is not only known for the tourist spots, but it is also known for the people's way of life. It's how they address concerns in a way that nobody is left behind. That's the real essence of Binadang. More pressing concern here is the younger generation are living they live around their cell phones na they don't even know what's happening around them. So parang mas maganda kung ang Radyo Sagada they will come to think of a program on how to get these young people and introduce to them this binadang, and then from them parang they will come up with a program also na sila the younger generation will go and invite their colleagues para they will come up with a plan kung paano nila mas mai-enhance itong binadang. The role of Radyo Sagada in promoting the real essence of binadang is, I think, for them to include in their programs an education campaign to introduce binadang to the younger generation and to encourage them to continue with this way of life so that we can continue uplifting each other's life in Sagada.